Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny. The meaning of the box is threefold. And Beauty Big Bang Galaxy XL002 and bases loaded lacquer shutout. I've already got on Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is the meaning of the box is threefold. Blue with oh so many pretty stuffs in it. It's a stunning polish, and the formula was really good considering how much is in that stuff. I mean, we've got like shimmer and glitters and flakies. It's just insane. So I'm going back for a little bit more. I was being a little stingy with my brush. There we go. I'm going to cap my free edge here. Kind of hard to cap those really short ones, but we're doing it. All right. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Alrighty, so here we go with our second coat of the meaning of the box is threefold. You can see that shimmer. It just jumps out of there. It's so pretty. I really, really like this one. I was really excited to get this one on my nails. I've had it since like Thanksgiving. So I'm going to be topping it with I&M's out the door. We're going to get this to dry down so we can do some stamping. I'm going to turn this into a Galaxy manicure because I had a stamping plate I needed to play with. When I bought it wasn't like it was PR and I had to do it. It was in my box of stuff. Alright. Woody back again for some more action. There is my swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go with Beauty Big Bang Galaxy XL002. I'll get that blue film off of here and clean it with some acetone real quick. Such a cool plate. I can't say no to anything Galaxy, Moon, Sun, Celestial. It's just my jam. I love it. I've got bases loaded lacquer shutout to stamp with. My Konad stamper and my H. Lacosadora scraper. So here we go. We're going to get busy with it. Just some simple stamping today. Nothing too crazy. I just love these images. So I'm removing the excess with a piece of tape because I don't want that getting on the nail and having to worry about how to remove it. And I clean my plate off with some acetone. And there wasn't much to clean off on my stamper, so because I'd already taken care of that. So now we're going after this little star. And then hopping in with our tape again. Flip that around and line it up. Stick it on there. And now this is really like a galaxy image, like a nebula or something. And this would look really pretty with like some like jelly paints over it or color tints or something. But I'm going with the blue and white today. This is just what I'm doing today. So another full-size image here. I don't need all of it. That's why I didn't go all the way to the top. Got some little short nails today, so we're just getting what we need. One more. Let's pick out one more image. And I'm sorry I'm out of frame, but it's a little star, I believe. Give that a quick scrape. Pick up. Yep, little star. With some trailings behind it. Ta-da! All stamped up. So now we're going to clean up our mess real quick. Get this plate cleaned with some acetone. Cleaned my scraper card too. You always want to clean the edge of it because if you don't and a bunch of polish dries on there, it's going to not be a flat scraper to go across your stamping plate next time. So that's why I always clean the edge of mine. Get my little mat clean. And I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up. Ooh, that stuff's coming up so well. Very, very nice. Easy peasy. And now I'm going to hop in here with my cleanup brush and some acetone and just straighten it up just a little bit. Not much to clean after the tape trick. I'm going to top this with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. This seals in the stamping without smearing it. And then once that's dry, I'm going to go in with my Poshe top coat. This is a quick dry top coat that dries down really fast. And it's glossy. Got my free edge. And ta-da, we're done. There is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.